Hello everyone, today I will make another video on solving Rubik's Cube. Today I'll show how to solve the edges on up and down sides of Rubik's Cube. It can be not too much situations. The first situation is all pieces are not oriented on the top and down side of Rubik's Cube. The first, you can place these two pieces here and save them on the up side of Rubik's Cube and move the center on the front side of the Rubik's Cube, and you will see that three pieces will be oriented with white and yellow colors on the top side, and one piece is oriented right way on the downside of the Rubik's Cube. As before I describe this situation, you have to orient the row with not oriented pieces on front to the front side of Rubik's Cube and solve it, oriented right way pieces from back side of Rubik's Cube. Like an indicator of rightly oriented sides is these two pieces of interest in front side of cube. After that, you should to move them on upside and save them by rotating up layer of the Rubik's Cube. After that, you have to move the green piece, a green center, to the front. Okay, let's see. You see, here is the right way oriented pieces, edges, and on the downside, two right oriented edges. Okay, now you should to orient, just solve the Rubik's Cube. Yellow. Okay, let's restore columns, and now you can solve the Rubik's Cube in easy way, like this. Orient the edge yellow and red under its place and rotate side of the Rubik's Cube, save to the other side this edge, restore columns and move this edge to its place. After that, you have to orient green and yellow under its place, move this edge to its place, save, restore columns and move this piece on its place. After that, yellow and orange the same way, and yellow and blue the same method. The top of the Rubik's Cube will have, it can have two connected pairs, two joined pairs, or pairs will be not joined, like here. You should move one joined pair of edges from downside to the up side through the right way solid side of the Rubik's Cube, like this, and rotate upside of Rubik's Cube to move the edge and the place it have to move on, and rotating one side of Rubik's Cube you will join two edges in right way, like white blue, white green. Save the joined edges to the side, restore columns, and move this joined pair to the downside. After that you have to connect edges and finishing solving the Rubik's Cube. Another situation you can get is 4 pieces can be oriented in right way on top and bottom. It can be like this, 4 pieces on one side. It can be pieces on the other side of Rubik's Cube, and it can be very similar situations just when you finishing the solving Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's see. 4 from one side. Oh yeah, we shouldn't to get the parity. Yeah. If you don't want to get a parity, you have to orient right way the centers. Okay, it can be 4 from one side or 2 by 2 on opposite sides of the Rubik's Cube, like this. No, like this. Two from one side, 2 from another side. The way is simple. Just get 3 pieces oriented right way from one side, like this one, and save 3 pieces and 1 piece edge piece on the another side of the Rubik's Cube. And after that you, as before, have to orient three not solved pieces on the upside of cubic to the front side, and three solved or oriented right way edges to the back side of the Rubik's cube. After that you have to move these two right edges to the upside, save them on the upside, and move these two pieces to the upside. Or you can make like this on the downside. And now the same way we will finish to solve the Rubik's cube. Okay, here is white. Save. Okay, white pieces here. Save. 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 And save. After that you will get the same situation as before, and you have to move solved pair of edges from the downside to the upside and orient the upside in right way to connect not solid edges. Connect them, save, restore columns, and connect edges, pair them. After that, Rubik's cube is done. Okay, two not oriented in right way edges you can solve in this manner. You can move from from downside of the Rubik's cube to the upside, save, restore columns, and three solid. After that you can move one solid to the bottom side again. And what for? This was made to put not solid edges in one layer. After that you have to move, make some moves like this. Move this solid oriented right way. Now this edge, move on 90 degrees top side, and move the center to its place. And after that you will get, as before, situation like this. Three not oriented in right way pieces, and here is three oriented in right way pieces. Move these not oriented pieces to the front, and these three oriented pieces to the back side of the Rubik's Cube. The same moves you will make now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. White and yellow edges on the upside and white and yellow edges on the bottom side. Restoring columns and finishing the Rubik's Cube. Move the edge to its place, save, restoring columns in the right way, and finishing this edge. Moving edge to the downside, restoring to the right side, restoring columns. Okay, the downside is done, and on the top we have two not joined pairs. Move the joined pair from bottom to the top and join blue white and green white pieces on the bottom. Save them, restoring columns and finishing the Rubik's Cube. And one more situation. Yes, this situation I have shown before. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 3 not oriented edges on the upside and 3 oriented in right way pieces on the downside. Same moves. 1, same them to the sides, left and right, and move the central piece to its place. Okay, now let's finish the Rubik's Cube. Moving the edge on the its place, move it, save to the side, restoring the columns. Okay, one side is finished, and the same situation, two not solved. Okay, let's solve all cube right here and connecting two pieces, restoring columns, restoring these two and orienting, not this way, like this. Okay, here we go. We will now some kind of another situation we'll get. Yes. Okay. That's nice situation, and it can be solved in 3 moves. First move. Through the solid side of the cube you have to rotate middle layer to the 180 degrees. After that you have move this standing layer with not solid center to the top, and you after that have to solve this side like this and finishing Rubik's Cube. Okay? Thank you everyone for watching this video.